Today I have an iPhone 7 Plus that's giving me some bad vibes. That Taptic engine is just flopping around inside every time the home button is pressed. It sounds pretty neat. Looks like a screw got vibrated loose. We'll find out how a little later in the video. After powering the device off, disconnecting the battery is pretty important, followed by the display, home button extension, and proximity connector. Here's the missing screw magnetized to the nearby loudspeaker. Looks like it fell out easily from Apple not using Loctite on a screw that will constantly experience vibrations. A single drop would have prevented this issue, but Apple chose to save fractions of a penny by not using it on any of their devices. I'll get that tightened back into place. The screen is a cheap aftermarket part, apparent by the separation of plastic frame and glass digitizer. This also explains why the device is missing so many shields and screws. Somebody got this repaired on the ultra cheap. All 4 tri-wings holding the home button shield are still present. That's good. I'll get those taken out and then move up to the top ear speaker shield with its 5 Phillips head screws. After removing those components, I can install them into the new digitizer and LCD combo part, looping the home button ribbon under the extension below the LCD and clipping it together like a Lego. The proximity and ear speaker flex is reattached, and the small modules fit snugly into a plastic bracket at the top of the display. After tightening the screws and reconnecting the finished display, I'll make sure the Taptic engine is still secure. This is the nice deep thunk sound that it should have when vibrating. Two pentalobes later, this device is repaired, minus a few shields I don't have to begin with. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you next time.